Lesson number 1, the power of reciprocity. Everyone loves getting something for free, right? But here's the thing. Free isn't just generosity, it's strategy. Reciprocity means that when someone gives you something, you feel compelled to give back. And if you're starting a business, this is your secret weapon. Think about how Dropbox grew. They didn't beg people to sign up. They gave users free storage for inviting their friends. Free value first, loyalty later. As an entrepreneur, don't just sell, give. Give value through content, free trials, tools, or small acts of help. People will naturally want to return the favor by trusting your brand, buying your product, or spreading the word. That's Persuasion 101. Give before you ask. Lesson number 2, commitment and consistency. Humans crave consistency. We want our actions to match our words. If you can get someone to make a small commitment, it's way easier to get them to make a big one later. Think about Amazon Prime. They start you with a 30-day free trial, a tiny yes. After that, your brain says, I'm already using it. I might as well stay consistent. And boom, you become a paying customer for years. As a startup founder, use the same principle. Don't push for a sale right away. Ask for a small yes first, a demo, a free download, or a newsletter sign-up. Once they take that micro step, they've already started walking your path. People don't like to contradict themselves, so help them stay consistent with you. Lesson number 3, social proof. Let's be honest, no one wants to be the first to try something new. That's why reviews, testimonials, and case studies are gold. Social proof is that invisible force that says, if everyone else is doing it, it must be good. When Airbnb launched, people didn't trust the idea of sleeping in a stranger's house. So what did they do? They showcased real hosts, real guests, and authentic reviews. Once others saw people like me using it, boom, trust skyrocketed. If you're launching something new, make your customers the heroes. Show results, highlight feedback, share success stories, and if you don't have any yet, start small. Get 10 happy users and let their stories do the talking. People don't buy products. They buy what others already trust. Lesson number 4, authority. Ever wonder why people listen to doctors in white coats? Even in toothpaste ads? Because authority sells. Cialdini's principle of authority says that people follow experts and credible figures. As an entrepreneur, this is your cue. Build authority in your niche. Elon Musk didn't just launch Tesla. He became a visionary in tech and sustainability. Simon Sinek didn't just write a book. He became the voice of leadership. You don't have to be famous, just trustworthy. Share your process, your results, and your insights. Collaborate with people your audience already trusts. When people see you as an authority, you don't need to chase clients. Lesson number 5, liking. People buy from people they like. Pause. Cialdini proved that similarity and connection drive persuasion. We like those who are like us, who share our humor, our values, our vibe. Look at brands like Glossier. They didn't build their empire on ads, they built it on relatability. They made customers feel like friends, not buyers. So how do you use this? Be authentic. Show your face. Share your journey, not just your highlight reel. If you're building a business, your personal brand matters more than you think. When people feel like they know you, they'll root for you, and they'll buy from you. In short, likability. Lesson number 6, scarcity. Only 5 left in stock. Last chance to join. Doors close at midnight. You've seen this everywhere, and for a good reason, it works. Scarcity triggers the fear of missing out. FOMO, one of the most powerful motivators in human behavior. Apple uses it brilliantly. Every new iPhone launch feels like a limited event. Even if they make millions, the story makes you feel like you need it now. But scarcity isn't just about limits. It's about value perception. When something is rare, exclusive, or crafted with care, it feels more valuable. Think about Rolex or Ferrari. They don't sell watches or cars, they sell prestige. You're not buying metal and leather. You're buying what very few can have. So as an entrepreneur, yes, use time or quantity scarcity, but also create value-based scarcity. Offer your best customers something others can't get, a premium experience, personal access, or a custom version of your product. When your best work is hard to access, it signals excellence. Scarcity isn't just about urgency, it's about value. Just make sure your scarcity is real. Fake urgency kills trust. Lesson number 6. Cialdini later added a 7th principle. Unity, the power of belonging. Think of Harley-Davidson. They don't just sell motorcycles, they sell identity. Harley riders wear the same jackets, share the same lifestyle, and call each other family. As an entrepreneur, build your tribe early. Find your people, those who share your mission or mindset. Speak directly to them. Create inside jokes, shared goals, and a sense of we. People don't just want a product, they want to belong. Give them that and they'll stick for life. Lesson number 8. Contrast. Here's a subtle persuasion trick. Contrast. It's about framing your offer so it feels more valuable compared to something else. Think of Starbucks. You could buy a regular coffee for $2 or a caramel macchiato for $6. Suddenly, the $4 latte feels reasonable. In your business, show the comparison. If you're selling a $500 course, show that private coaching costs $5,000. Instantly, your offer looks like a bargain. The brain doesn't judge value in isolation, it compares. So control what you're comparing. Lesson number 9. The power of storytelling. Cialdini's principles are about human psychology. And nothing taps deeper into human psychology than stories. When you tell your business story right, people don't just understand you, they feel you. Think of Tom's shoes. Every purchase helps someone in need. That simple story built emotional connection and global loyalty. As an entrepreneur, craft your story. Why did you start? What problem are you solving? What impact are you creating? Your story is your persuasion engine. Because people forget facts, but they remember how you made them feel. Lesson number 10. Combine them all. Here's the real secret. Persuasion isn't about one trick. It's about synergy. Look at Tesla. They use authority through Elon Musk. They build scarcity with limited models. They create social proof with loyal fans. They spark unity among eco-conscious drivers. It's not a trick. It's a psychological orchestra. So design your persuasion strategy like your product strategy. Start by giving value, reciprocity, earn small commitments, show proof, build authority, connect deeply, add scarcity, and tell a story people want to join. That's how you turn psychology into profit. Beat. Business success isn't luck. It's understanding human nature. And Cialdini's work is the blueprint for doing just that. So next time you launch your product, your brand, or even a simple post, ask yourself, which persuasion principle am I using right now? Because once you master persuasion, you won't just sell more. You'll inspire more, and that's what real entrepreneurs